Hi y'all, welcome to my Nashville house tour. I have a rental house here for a short period of time and I have made it my own. Part of this is the landlord's, part of it is my furniture. I've definitely been a little bit extra for like a 6-month rental, sure. But the home is like my thing, so it's okay. Out here, we're on my patio. I have these cute chairs that actually have been here and they're really stunning, you would think. Listen, if it was like the fall or winter and I wasn't living here in the summer, I would be out here in the morning. It's just really hot and the humidity is somehow worse in Texas, so I'm not really out here too often. But I wanted to film this tour today because I got my house cleaned because my mother is coming to visit me next week, and if anyone has ever had their mother come and visit them, in an older house especially, when it's like hard, something about an older house, like it's just like so much harder to keep clean. It was for our relationship, for our well-being. It was cheaper than another therapy session, so I figured this would be good. So my house is feeling really, really good right now. And we need to film. So anyways, come on in guys. Let me show you around. This is the living room. And it feels very good in here right now. Oh, hello bub. So this is an older house. I think that this house is almost 100 years, this guest house. And it's really like the cutest space ever, but it's really so adorable. This couch over here that I got, it's Wayfair. I would never recommend this couch ever. It's actually the least comfortable couch ever and has really caused some issues because I don't sit out here because it's just not great. But I have made it cute, of course. These little pillows I got from Amazon, and then I have that little chicken stuffed animal. I think I got that at White's, but I can't really remember. Back here, it is a mixture of the owner's stuff and then I have some like serving stuff. This is kind of like my makeshift hosting closet in Nashville. Don't worry, I didn't spend a ton of money on stuff. I went crazy at Walmart with the Better Homes and Good Garden Club, like whatever it is. It's the best stuff ever, and I have so much of it back here too. If you guys are looking, like even that little caddy for the wine, of course we've got some Ovaltine back there. That I used for a dinner party last night, that I used for a dinner party last night. The trays, I even bought, it's so inexpensive guys, like it was actually the best stuff ever and like the greatest deal. I even bought a couple things, like my house in Dallas, because I'm using it so consistently and the stuff was like $10. Like it's so good. So anyway, I have that little chest over there. I love a good wicker chest. I always have something like that. It's just like in my family, we always have those. So it's great for blankets. And then I have, Fitzy, let's just sit on the couch. You wanna sit on the couch? Come on, get up there. Good boy, you are so good. The chairs, if you guys are subscribers to my YouTube channel, wouldn't be a surprise. They're the exact chairs that I have in Dallas, but I love them so much that I got them here. They are the best price, the best chairs, like they're so cute and I just love them. And then this coffee table, same thing, same coffee table that I have in Dallas, under 300 bucks, amazing, love this. This was theirs, but I have a lot of coffee table books that I got from Anthropology. Of course, have the friend of mine dinner cards out here. The candles also Anthro, and then I have Martha Stewart's Gardening Handbook, her 101st book. Recent release, very good. This is a quilt that I got at an antique store in my hometown. And then over here, this, it sounds like so, like this is custom art. This is art from Taylor Cook Art. I think that's her handle. I'll link her below. She's incredible. I saw she was doing this canvas art and she had chickens everywhere, and like I'm obsessed with chickens. Like Dolly, literally our chicken, obsessed with her art hen. So anyways, I saw this foul play, game stuff, obsessed. Had to have another one for the Nashville place, so I had this one made. And it says the stars at night are big and bright, like deep in the heart of Texas. And then they have cowboy boots on, and they have little stars over their head, and it's so cute. And then I got them framed at Framebridge, as always. I love these so much, and then I will just keep them forever. Like, they're incredible. The drapes I got from Amazon, little curtains. And then this dresser, another Wayfair find. I wish this video was sponsored by Wayfair. It's not. This dresser is like under $300 and it is so cute. I loved it so much that I swapped out a piece in Dallas and I got this in a lighter color, and it makes my living room look so much better. Everyone was against me on my Instagram poll, and I'm really glad that I didn't listen to my haters and I got what I wanted, because now everyone has come back around and said that I was correct. Anyway, I love this chest. I have like a ton of mahjong stuff in here. I have my bags, because like when I go back and forth between here and Dallas, I use like storage bags that you would like put in an attic versus like luggage. It's like easier to put in your car. And then I have a little family photo up here. It's me, my dad, my mom, and and my grandpa, and then I have a photo of my niece and my nephew. These are Amazon, the lambs, this chicken. So I'm in the middle of, guys, actually, let me just show you this. I don't even know if I've shown you guys this in the vlogs. I am in the middle of planning a farmer girl dinner party, and I got these little chickens for like place card things. Like, how cute. And then I got all these chickens. I got 20 of them for like napkin ring holders. They're so cute. So I'm really excited about that. That's why you're gonna see a lot of like ceramic chickens around this house right now, because I'm gonna end up using them as some sort of decor. But like growing up, my house, I always said, like, I do need to clarify, I always said like we had roosters everywhere. I didn't mean like literal roosters. I meant like roosters on the wallpaper, roosters, like ceramic ones in the kitchen, roosters on like the plates, like not actual roosters. So when I started a friend of mine, my home brand, like that is why I've like taken Dolly with us, our hen, because it's like so nostalgic of like my childhood in the home and all that stuff. So anyway, I knew that like I would use these pieces in other places. This candle, and this is a diffuser that the flower fell out of, but it's this like hydrangea candle. They actually smell incredible. I'll have them linked. This Bose speaker, I love this thing because this TV doesn't like actually work. This is theirs, but it's like just cable, and like for some reason you can't connect like Apple TV and stuff, so I'm like so unplugged, aka I end up just like sitting in my bed all the time. This was thrifted, another family photo, but this is of the girls. And then I have this art piece from Amazon. Art piece. Okay. Who am I? It's like a printed out photo in a frame. That's what I have from Amazon. And then I have these fake flowers. This is Amazon. Pretty much everything is like Amazon and Wayfair. Like you can really get so much stuff. Like, and another thing too that's so sick about this house that I love that they did is they did like fake stained glass like over here and that, and then over there, just like for better privacy, I think. But it makes the house like so much cooler and cuter, and I just love that about this house. And I actually did find it on Amazon, so I can link it for you guys. I just think it's like the coolest stuff ever. I'm obsessed with that. We're gonna go to the backyard. When we walk outside, we're not gonna look much at the right, okay? Because it's all their stuff and it's like not very cleaned up, and I haven't done anything there, so like let's just ignore that. Oh, but also this little poof thing, guess what? Wayfair, shocker. Love this thing. Anyway, out the door. And like this is the stuff that like my mom will help me with. I need to like weed some things and, you know, figure some stuff out here. But the whole story of like how I actually ended up moving to Nashville, like God, this house is crazy. I shared it on a House Guest podcast episode that I'll have like linked below on this channel, but it's really wild. Anyway, I had no idea that I was gonna have this backyard. I had no idea I was gonna have this patio. The whole thing was that I was kind of sad. I'm like, oh well, I'm not gonna be able to like host dinner parties, but I'll survive. It's a short period of time. I walked outside and they had this whole patio. So I did get this set from Wayfair that was a really good price for an outdoor table and chairs. Outdoor furniture gets so expensive, it's actually insane. So this has been great because I work from like dining tables all the time. Like I don't really work at my desk much, so when the weather is like nicer, I sit out here and I work out here like all the time. Or earlier today, I had to call 17 family members and just catch up. So I was out here like drinking my cute little kombucha, and it was nice. And then out here, we have this whole yard that Fitz loves, and we have a hammock that was here before. I actually haven't gone in that hammock, but I'm sure my mom will be like making a run for that. Fitz likes to just kind of roam around for about 2 minutes, and then he decides he can't deal with the humidity, and he runs back inside. It's a very quick process that we have going. It's just kind of a system that works for us. Like, he's just kind of uninterested. He's excited like in the morning, and then he's just like not excited anymore. Thank you, bud. Let's go inside. Thank you. Okay. Over here is the bathroom. Like nothing really to write home about. It's just a bathroom. None of the stuff in there besides the products really mine. Anyway, over here, when I moved in, like this furniture is theirs and it was placed elsewhere. And then this table, I'm like, oh, this is like perfect for a little like office nook, which has been really convenient. Really nice to have this. I do have this chair that I got from Wayfair that I love. The lamp I got from Target forever ago, and I just brought with me to Dallas. And then I also kind of use this as a little bit of like a makeshift closet. So I have some cowboy boots here. I've got some like bigger bags here, purses, weights down here for working out, because I'm just like working out from home basically here now. And then I have a ton of friend of mine products. So we have family cards, the book club cards, the bit cards, recipe journals, a hosting journal. By the way, y'all, the hosting journal is out now. I made this hosting journal as a planner for dinner parties. I am obsessed. This is my entire process. I have hosted tens, it feels like hundreds at this point of dinner parties, and this is the way to go for like a stress-free, amazing, incredible dinner cards and nightcap cards, which if you guys want the original patterns and the original color, buy them now, because we are going to be restocking them with the updated toile, which is really cute, but these are going to be vintage. So anyway, over here, this basket is kind of just like a catch-all basket that I'm not willing to like go through at this point in my life. Like I'm too fragile to like open that and like really see what I've just like stuffed in there. So I'm ignoring that. I have this little tray that I just throw like random stuff on, like nightcap cards, lotion, keys. This is a sample of a upcoming friend of mine hat, but it's not perfect, so we sent back edits. And then over here, today, a bunch of hosting journals came in that I'll end up giving as like gifts to people and stuff I need to send off. And those arrived very quickly. But the hosting journal is very cute. It's launching June 25th. I'm obsessed with it. Mine's over there. It's like literally the cutest thing ever. So up here is the kitchen. I think the kitchen is so cute. I actually have dishes that I need to put away. But up here, they've got stained glass, which I love. These flowers I already had. I have these cute little placemats. They're velvet, so like they haven't like held up super well. I saw them on like an Instagram, maybe ad or just on Instagram, and I bought them so quickly, but I probably just like shouldn't actually eat on them. But then it's like, what's the point, you know? So anyway, over here we have my fridge. That's a little sourdough thing. We have some photos from Skinny Dennis, a bar here. Some photos of like friends and family. These magnets are wicker. I also got these for my house in Dallas because they're so cute and so inexpensive and like actually cute magnets, and they all match. Love that vibe. And then we have this like caraway knife set that I love. Like everything that I cook with and use in the kitchen regularly is caraway. I love this stuff. I also have my recipe journal on here. Both of them. This is my normal recipe journal, and then I have this one, that's my sourdough recipe journal, and I legitimately use them every single day. They're the best things ever. My smeg out here, so cute. I was like, when else will I have a blue smeg in my life, you know? So love that. This was here. More roosters, of course. Cutting board. I've got some like cookbooks and stuff here. This is a candle topper that does not need to be there. Butter, salt and pepper, Graza olive oil always, and then I have some like napkins and stuff from Anthropologie. A lot of like my stuff here, like even just plates and stuff are very, like this is Anthropologie. I had a really good code, so I got a bunch of stuff like the cabbage plates. These are really cute, like pink 12 plates. I of course have Dolly Parton wine, obviously. I thought this was gonna be like an actual picture size when I ordered it online, and I'm like, oh, so. It's cute, but not sure what I'm gonna use that for. Over here, I have a whole like sourdough starter thing up here. You might be like, Kenzie, what are you thinking? Like, I will sell everything and I'll take a lot of it home. So like, don't worry, okay? You never know where life's gonna lead you. You really don't. This has just kind of become a mess, but I share this with, I got like cute dishware that was more like country Nashville summer vibes that I'll end up taking back with me because I drive back and forth, so it's like totally fine. And then over here we have aprons. I have a caraway cooking set. Literally the best thing ever. I might have a discount code. Sometimes I do. I'm not like working with them at all right now, but I love their stuff. It is the best. I have this cute little Mackenzie Childs tea kettle that I brought with me from Texas because I had an extra one. And then I have a lot of cute stuff. Like I have like cute mugs and stuff that like just got dried today. Like my cute icon glasses. Like you guys don't care about my dishes. My bedroom is just like very chill. Not really much going on here. My bedding is Hill House. The furniture is all of their furniture, so I just like added a rug and then put on bedding. So the bedding's Hill House. Some of the frames and stuff are Anthro. Candles Anthro. Lamps are Amazon. And then over here, I did buy 2 lamps. And they gave me lampshades, and I accidentally threw away the little circles. So, as of right now, that's what we have going for us, okay? I have my Kindle here. Kiki's Book Rats Kindle case. I just got these 2 frames, that's why there's no photos in them, from Anthropologie. They're like literally the cutest things ever. This is my current needlepoint that I'm working on, Nashville Hot Chick. I'm obsessed. I'm like back on a needlepoint kick right now, and there's just like nothing more satisfying and like better for you mentally than needlepoint. And then normally I have the little like Heaven Mayhem book with all my jewelry and stuff up here, but I accidentally left that, I think, like literally on my counter in Texas. So another Amazon light over there, Amazon curtains. You guys kind of get the gist. Everything is Wayfair, Amazon, very, like the small things are like Anthro, Hill House, that stuff. My closet, I don't even actually want to show you. It's actually like kind of crazy. I have way too much stuff here that I've accumulated already, and I've like been here for 2 months. That's out of control. Over here, I brought every single belt that I own. Like, it's disturbing. Like, oh wait, I think here's the thing, you can't even see them in here because it's so packed, guys. Because here's the problem, if you're a belt girl, you'll understand, like, there's a belt for everything, there's a belt for every boot, there's a belt, like, it's just so hard. Literally, I think that's 40 belts that I just bring every time back and forth because I can't be seen in the wrong belt. Like, some are brown with silver, some are brown with gold. And when you're a collector like me, you know, you just pick me the right one. Oh, actually, I just got Coco this little house. This is from Anthropologie, and it's literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. And I didn't know she was gonna like it. And like, look, the girl, her back legs don't work. And she's really been through it. She's living a really happy life. Like, she actually is genuinely very happy. She needs a little trim right now, no offense. But I thought, you know, Coco deserves something. So I did get this house, and it's the cutest thing ever, and it matches my house so well. And she actually goes in it, which is amazing because I like really thought it was gonna be one of those things that I'm like begging her to for a photo. No, the girl loves it. We're very happy about that. But I think that's it for my little Nashville house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe, follow me on everything else. I don't know, I'll have any links that you guys need for anything that I mentioned. I'll try to link like quite literally everything in this house, like even stuff maybe I didn't point out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this house tour, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.